Hello Remax Action First. What we are going to do is add the documents that we just sliced up using the slice tool in Transaction Desk to the checklist. And this is how. You'll want to go to the document section of that transaction. You can go there through this link here that says go to documents, or on the right column there's also a link that says documents, and they take you to the same place. If you watched the previous video, you learned how to slice documents. And you can see here, these are the documents that we sliced. Now what we want to do is add them to the checklist. It's very simple. You want to add it to the corresponding spot that it belongs to, which you will recognize by the label. Click on the three dots and select the option that says Copy Move. We are going to copy the item to the checklist. And find the one that it belongs to. Right here, sales contract. And that's where I will assign the sales contract. Again, for another one, select the three dots, copy and move, copy to checklist item, find the corresponding one. You will always want to look in this section. If you select any of these, it will copy that document to a different transaction. You don't want it in a different one, you want it to stay in the one that it belongs to. So make sure you're looking under the checklist. And we're looking for the seller's property disclosure right here. Now you can actually go to the checklist and you can see how far along you are and how many docs you've actually assigned. You can click on the checklist here. If you remember from one of the previous videos, you always know which spots in the checklist have an item assigned to it because they're blue. So here we see we've assigned the docs that we've sliced with the slice tool to the checklist. If you want to view it, you can always click on it. And that's how you add a document that you've sliced with the slice tool to the checklist. Thank you for watching.